Okay, so I definitely want to look at this from a different perspective versus 2008. So remember when I mentioned how the MCAI Index was approximately 119. So it means that lending practices are still pretty restrictive. How that plays out is this particular way. Current subprime credit scores range from 580 to 619, which is actually pretty high. And that's actually a rate that, for instance, if I'm a landlord, I'd be okay with that credit score in order to rent to someone. Now, when you're the average current home buyer, their average credit score is 773. So we can see how the MCAI index and how that correlates to individuals' credit scores, because the debt to income ratio is the most important metric in housing affordability. Now, how that plays out is this: over 99.5% of mortgages are currently paid for, which, lo and behold, matches the foreclosure rate from the other study that we mentioned, which means that over 219,000 houses with a 0.4% likelihood of foreclosure, you can see how we're not going to get a glut of housing supply like we did in 2008. So this is some encouraging information, all right? And that's just one of those trends I really want you to be aware of.